Alright, let's talk about this SW-Motech Daypack Pro tank bag. So we got my hat, stop and go mini air compressor, tire tool, some plugs, rubber cement. That runs off the battery tender lead. Have not needed that yet, thank goodness. Harbor Freight siphon tool. If you've got an MT10, it's a must. Just kidding. Haven't had to use that either. Visor, rag, and cleaner. We've got multi-tool pliers to help with any kind of tire needs, or any needs period, or to pull something out of a tire, trim the plug. A couple of multi-Allen heads, screwdriver. Haven't needed that. That's to help tighten the GoPros. Got a couple of various size open box wrenches and tire pressure gauge. Couple of spare earplugs. Up top, we've got the garage door opener. It's coming and going. Sunglasses, electrical tape, night glasses. I use these when I have my visor up at night. They're kind of like a blue block or orange tinted. Pike pass, that when it's in and closed, never works. Boom. We've got a bag of some wrenches for the quad lock, nickel for the visor on my helmet to tighten it on the side if it comes loose, suction cups are for the pike pass, and then that is for gloves so you can have touch sensitive on your phone. So don't think anybody wants my logo like Max Wrist or anything, but I got a few. Put this stuff back in. Pick that up. You can drill a hole and put a pin in here so that when you have this closed, you can lock these together. And the only way to get this lever to release would be to unlock and open this and pull that pin, and then the release would work. I don't have that, obviously. Alright. Loading her back up. These side straps are nice because you don't have stuff rolling around loosely. Get all that in there. Over there. Compressor. Let's. That kind of came apart. All right. Get all that in there. I just kind of roll that down, and you're good to go. Or it does expand. It's got a little clip. Come down underneath. Come around. Sorry. And it does expand. So got another, like, I don't know, about 2 inches. So plenty of capacity. I'm not using it to its fullest, but that's plenty of stuff to carry. You can get water bottles in there if you needed. Obviously, if you're not carrying a hat or the compressor, there's tons of room. I don't think I'd want to go any smaller. And then the one up, I think is the Engage. Might be a little more than I need, but that in there. Head in. Good to go. And to release, you just pull the string from the bottom and it releases. You've got this thing that slides up and down that helps place the bag where you need it. Magnetic slides on, locks on, and then you can buy extra rings. I did have an MT09 and the MT10 at the same time, had a ring on both. You can just swap the bag on each bike. Great tank bag. Have had it for more than a year, on and off a ton of bikes, or a ton of times off of my bikes. Works great. Thoroughly enjoy it. Good product. That's the SW-Motech Daypack Pro.